Americaneagle.com is redefining what's possible with Sitecore, driving breakthrough speed, scale, and results for our clients. Now, we're introducing our exclusive Sitecore Digital Factory. This end-to-end production solution features 3 powerful components: our Sitecore AI Flight Path Accelerator, Sitecore AI Site Wizard, and Accessibility Owl. Each is engineered to accelerate speed to value, helping organizations move from strategy to market faster and with greater confidence. With the Sitecore Digital Factory from Americaneagle.com, client marketing teams can independently launch new websites faster than ever. And it delivers far more than just speed. It promotes brand consistency, seamless asset management, and confident governance. So, how is that possible? Here's how it works. The first component, our Sitecore AI Flight Path Accelerator, brings AI-powered conversion to Figma designs and legacy platforms. This design-to-code component also automates large-scale content migration, replacing time-consuming manual updates. This valuable asset within our digital factory has been meticulously refined to deliver sophisticated yet remarkably fast migrations to Sitecore AI. The second component, the Sitecore AI Site Wizard, leverages pre-built page types, structured asset libraries, and design templates, all created in full alignment with each client's brand standards. Once these assets are in place, Site Wizard accelerates site launches, streamlines content management, and delivers measurable savings for enterprises managing large-scale, complex website portfolios. Finally, meet Accessibility Owl, the Sitecore AI Marketplace app we built to fully unleash the platform's agentic AI capabilities. It automates the application of WCAG best practices as well as Americaneagle.com's extensive accessibility expertise directly to your digital assets. Simply put, Accessibility Owl closes accessibility gaps and empowers inclusivity at scale. Within those 3 main components, our Sitecore development team custom tailors every digital factory to each client's unique brand and digital goals. Our digital factory is built for you. Whether your enterprise business is managing an extensive portfolio of URLs that require rapid development and speed to market, or you're a growing organization looking for a cost-effective way to modernize legacy web systems, each digital factory is purpose-built to drive measurable results for you. Today, Americaneagle.com is the only agency in the world delivering this Sitecore digital factory. Accelerate your digital success with Americaneagle.com and Sitecore.